As I said on the last Bender, I'm actually much cheaper than I look.
Automatic Tata Nano, which
You know how it works, Govind? You gotta pull it at the back and go.
Spending most of my earnings on a girl, I'll defend it to others, but it wasn't worth it.
relationship चालू हो गया है।
कौन से संदीप रेड्डी वांगा ने लिखा है ये जरा बताना।
Shrija, is this for 1500 rupees?
Are these like Jordans for girls?
Dude, I keep buying
Yeah.
from Ugao.
Ugao.
And मैं कुछ नहीं उगा रहा भाई, सब मर रहे मेरे।
बट ये
Yeah.
कारीगरी भी बहुत है इसमें।
और जब ये मरेगा तो इसका पेट्रोल बनेगा।
क्या पागल है क्या, इतना कौन खर्चा करता है? ये है क्या तू बिल्स? I'm just तो एरो प्रेस और फ्रेंच प्रेस अलग होता है।
हाँ।
In French they use tongue. In aero you do.
Ronak, we're gonna beep you for half an hour in the video.
You know what? I think I'm better off being this.
sit. Just.
Ronak dubbed the video.
But wait, how much are these hats for?
50 euros, 5,000 bucks, dude.
बक्स नहीं बोलते हम यहाँ पे ये शो में, बक्स बोलते लोग गाली देते हैं हम लोग
Bucks
को।
पे गाली है,
बोलना
मेरे को ही
चाहिए।
पड़ी
तेरे
थी
पे
बात।
बात से start
मेरे को
हुआ
ही
था।
पड़ी।
Welcome to the show, both
Thanks
of you
for having
guys.
me.
Thank you.
Shrija and
Thank you.
Ronak.
Thank you, guys.
Yes. How?
A pleasure.
A pleasure.
Pleasure.
How have you been with money, Ronak?
Since the last time you came on. Are you spoiled now?
Dude, I gotta tell you, if you're gonna ask me one thing I know I regret wasting my money on is after the shitty day I've had today, taxes. Taxes, man, taxes. So my wife and I, we feed, and my family, we feed a bunch of stray dogs in my area. One of them got hit by a car. And so we called the police station, which if you call 100, it doesn't connect sometimes.
Huh?
Guys, have you ever tried calling 100? It was like the 15th time that it got connected. Luckily, I didn't have a knife on my throat while calling 100. And then the cop who comes, then the center tells me, okay, we're sending someone from another police station. So I'll tell you where this happened. Okay, so this dog of mine, we stay around Kemp's Corner, and this dog has reached Marine Drive and gotten hit in Marine Drive. So we call the police at Marine Drive, and they tell us Gamdevi police station is going to come. After 15 minutes of waiting, Gamdevi police station calls me and tells me, why should I come? It's not my jurisdiction. And I was like, sir, मैंने आपको force नहीं किया sir, मेरे को 100 ने बोला आपको आना है. Then we tell 100 again after 15 calls, hi, please answer. वो गांधीवी बोल रहा है नहीं है, तो ठीक है, दूसरा कुछ होगा मैं देख रही हूँ. So then I'm googling and I say, is it DB Marg? Okay, and she says, हाँ DB Marg ही होगा ना फिर. And I was like, you're 100. You're 100. I am not 100. So then the DB Marg cop, poor guy, comes. Okay, he takes the whole Panchnama. Okay, Panchnama is like the first complaint, right? And he writes my name.
Yeah.
I
did
also,
not-
yeah. Even I didn't know.
So he writes my name, he writes my wife's name, he writes whatever.
प्यार का पंचनामा makes sense now. I had no clue. This is what Panchnama meant, dude.
That's what. Yeah. It was not प्यार का FIR.
प्यार का first complaint. That's what.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So he's writing the Panchnama, and then he looks around and he goes, actually, this is really funny. Okay, so when you go straight on Marine Drive, there's 2 entries to Churni Road Station. Okay, the first, which is at Bachelor's, is a different jurisdiction. I was at the second one. So he looks around, takes the whole thing, and he goes, actually, ये मेरा भी jurisdiction नहीं है.
One time I called 100 to file a complaint क्योंकि कोई तो domestic violence चल रहा था घर के पीछे, and they said अभी हम खाना खा रहे हैं.
Crazy.
Like ठीक है फिर बाद में बात करते हैं.
क्या खा रहे हो?
यार एक बार मैंने कॉल किया था.
सबने कॉल किया क्या? 100 या मैंने?
नहीं 100 या एम्बुलेंस, वन ऑफ द टू. कुछ तो हुआ था मेरी बिल्डिंग के सामने. and I was like, मुझे नीचे जाने में डर लग रहा है,
Okay.
तो मैं अपने घर से बैठ के किसी को तो कॉल लगा देती हूँ.
हाँ.
और फिर मैं लगाया एंड देन आई कुछ तो हो रहा है इधर अंकल, आप देख लीजिए, आ जाइए, बाकी मुझे नहीं पता. एंड देन दे केप्ट कॉलिंग मी बैक एंड आई हैड जीरो इन्फॉर्मेशन. Zero.
Dude.
You're opposite of product.
क्या हो रहा है?
आप बताइए, jurisdiction का तो नहीं आइडिया है मुझे.
नहीं, हमारा ये jurisdiction हो क्या रहा है वो नहीं पता अभी हम लोग को.
वो ठीक है अभी.
What is your spender bender purchase?
Yes, or
What's
normal,
not-
not spender, like just your
Not
purchase.
just for spend in life, also
Okay,
is
okay.
fine.
So-
What's the product?
ये कॉल ले रही है, कोई इमरजेंसी है क्या? All good?
Yeah, you
क्या
can
करो?
leave, you can leave. Yeah, you can leave.
Okay.
So we'll take it again. One more time.
Go.
So what's your purchase, Shrija? Again, what have
My
you?
purchase जो मैं लेकर आई हूँ,
हाँ,
मैं
yes.
निकालूँ?
Yes,
हाँ,
निकाल
ठीक
दे.
मैंने एक लेकर आई. सॉरी, निकालने में थोड़ा टाइम
अरे,
लग
अरे,
रहा है.
चलेगा.
इतना बड़ा रिवील नहीं है गाइस, बट आई हैव बीन बेसिकली रियली इनटू क्रोशे.
You crochet
you
this?
did this? You made this?
You bloody दादी माँ?
You're making this?
One second.
I'm not making it.
Purchasing crochet is a cop out. You have
Yeah.
you have to
Absolutely.
No, प्लीज गाइस, मैं क्रोशे खरीद रही हूँ. मुझे किसी ने बीच में गिफ्ट कर दिया था ये एट कालागुड़ा एग्जीबिशन.
और तेरा रॉकिंग चेयर किधर है?
तो उसके बाद से मैं खरीदे जा रही हूँ यार. एंड आई हैड इंटेंडेड टू गिव दिस टू लाइक नेफ्यूज, नीसेस, फ्रेंड्स,
है तेरे पास
चिल्ड्रन.
नेफ्यूज नीसेस है?
अब वो लोग बड़े हो गए तो मैं रख रही हूँ.
कब कर ही जाना ये?
2 हफ्ते पहले
Just
यार.
दो हफ्ते में बड़े हो गए. Sorry.
Some
Sorry,
40-year
मेरा
old,
कुत्ता यार.
some 40-year-old who's
Please be
like,
careful,
Shrija चाची.
And I've not even got my whole stash. ऐसे एक मंकी है जो मेरे घर पे बैठा हुआ है.
अब बैठेगा मतलब
ऊपर टांगा हुआ है.
So Shrija's also a prani premi. I like.
yeah.
Yes, non-living प्राणी.
Non-living. This is a car.
That's the nano.
Golden Nano. Let's
Does
go.
the Nano have a police side and front?
I saw one of these today.
How much are these things for?
They're fairly expensive. Crochet is an expensive hobby to purchase.
One second. Have you tried crocheting?
No, I'm
Would you do
not. At some point in my life, I probably might.
Right, to
I
avoid
will.
Alzheimer's.
At some point, मैं crochet शायद शुरू कर सकती हूँ.
Shrija, is this for 1,500 rupees?
Dog, if somebody's grandmom made this herself to get her Alzheimer's fixed,
हाँ यार,
I think you can get away with not paying her.
अरे इस पे 10% डिस्काउंट था.
10% discount.
डिस्काउंट था.
1500 में
1350 का था.
150.
Okay, so this is like a
It's
गाड़ी में
dying.
hang करने का.
ये गाड़ी में
कुछ
अब
दिखेगा
whatever.
नहीं इतना बड़ा गाड़ी में कौन हैंग करता है यार थोड़ा छोटा रहता है
Yeah.
ये probably
ये
how
गाड़ी
much
में
was
है.
this for अच्छा ये तो लिखा भी नहीं है. It's
when
like
you-
one of
so
those
are these
menus.
like are these like Jordans for girls? Is this why are you collecting these?
Why,
Yeah,
यार?
what's the purpose?
Do you think
No.
this will be the next Labubu? What is
Why? It's not ugly यार. It's so cute.
You
No,
think
but like this
Labubus
is
are
the next
ugly?
trendy thing.
Yo.
लबूबू को
Hey,
अगली
did
नहीं
you-
बोल सकते क्या?
पता नहीं मेरे को नहीं बोल
गोविंद तो थोड़ा गलबुबू दिखता है.
But yeah, basically I've been मुझे अच्छा लगता है यार. कलरफुल है
नहीं कर
ये
ले but when did
Colour
you
तो अच्छा
start
है.
getting buying
crochet.
Yeah.
Crochet.
When you get
This
into
crochet-
crocheting,
Actually it was earlier this year. मुझे किसी ने क्रोशे का बंटिंग गिफ्ट किया.
वो क्या होता है
Bunting.
अरे बंटिंग वो ऐसे तोरन यार.
तो
वो भी नहीं
क्या
समझा
होता है?
वैसे.
तोरण वो दिवाली में होता है ना.
अरे जो ऐसा लगता है ना
Garland.
तुम्हारे हाँ जो दरवाजे पे लगता है वो
Streamer.
Streamers.
स्ट्रीमर.
Streamers.
मेरे को वो भी नहीं समझा but ठीक है. Yeah, I got
अरे
it.
दरवाजे पे जो
हाँ,
ऐसे
हाँ,
करते
हाँ,
हैं.
हाँ.
हाँ तो वो गिफ्ट किया उन्होंने मुझे.
यो रहता है वो.
Yeah.
और फिर
नहीं ऐसे नहीं
because-
ऐसे
वो जो मुगलाई रेस्टोरेंट के मेन्यू कार्ड पे वो
Yeah,
डिजाइन होता है on the top.
दिवाली पे जब लगाते हैं.
हाँ हाँ समझ गया.
एक दो
Entrance
बार
पे जो
और
होता है.
explanation थोड़ा
Okay,
थोड़ा और
so you got this. I want to ask you, जो बाहर पड़ा है तेरे घर के, is there no like dust gathering on it? How do you? What is the maintenance like? How do you
बाहर
clean
क्या
it?
पड़ा हुआ है?
No, like because it's stuck to a
Oh,
door, right?
yeah,
And
yeah.
it's got these wedges.
Like when
Does
you
it-
get
does it-
shoes, you get containers also जिसके अंदर तुम shoes संभाल के रखते हो. Do you have like a specific box
No,
where
no,
you
no,
keep
no.
your
There's
crochet
no
items?
specific box for this.
Okay.
So do you throw it in the
Honestly-
machine, washing machine? What is it?
अभी ये मैंने अभी 2 हफ्ते पहले 3-4 हफ्ते पहले मंगवाया है तो मुझे
बड़े जा
मालूम
रहा है,
नहीं है
time बढ़े जा रहा है
इसका
with each sentence.
What
तो मुझे मालूम नहीं है इसका केयर वेयर
Okay.
क्या है. मुझे बस सुंदर कलर्स लगे तो मैं उठा लिया मतलब.
तो ये is this like a showpiece in the house?
या ये मैं वाज में डालती हूँ.
Really?
ये मैं वाज में डालती हूँ.
Water that thought it would grow up and feed actual plants.
इज दिस फनी? ने वाज में डालती हूँ मैं मतलब.
हाँ,
और किधर
उसके अंदर
डालूंगी
पानी नहीं
यार
रहता है
ये?
क्या वास में?
पानी नहीं
नहीं
रहता
वो stitched up blue.
क्योंकि अच्छा नहीं मतलब ऐसे रोज लाइक लाइव फ्लावर्स कलेक्ट करना सही नहीं है. एक्सपेंसिव भी है.
Plants भी होता है.
But flowers smell के लिए लेते थे.
प्लांट्स में 3-4 मार चुकी हूँ.
अच्छा.
हाँ नहीं मेरे
तो
भी.
या
आज मुझे 4 दिन बाद याद आया कि fuck water करना है तो मैं I watered 2 of them.
हाँ तो दिस ओरिजिनली इट वाज मेंट टू बी गिफ्टेड
You
और मैं
cannot-
करूँगी
You're
ये.
not a you're not a plant regular or what?
Plant regular.
Plant regular. You
Plant
Plant
regular.
like you to give them water, dude.
No, so I used to give them. Pehle I didn't give my plants water. Then they all died. Then I got a few more plants. Then I watered them every day. Then I realized I didn't have to water them every day because it was a snake plant, and that you
Oh.
don't water every day.
इसलिए वो मर गया.
I overwatered. Then now I just have money plants.
Yeah,
Oh,
same.
money plant is best plant.
They also died.
Yeah.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
ऊपर रखा, बीच में भी रखा, नीचे भी है. ऊपर वाले मर गए, बट वो इतने ऊपर है कि दिखता नहीं
Dude,
है. Someone sees it.
I'll tell you something. If you are going to be like a forgetful person, you can give them fasten up once in 3 days.
What really you're saying?
हाँ सच्ची में yeah.
झूठ मत बोल साले.
Fasten up hangover cure है.
Because it's hung your fucking money plant.
No money plant has like started growing niche, dude. It just goes upper and then it just comes down and dies.
Dude, you know what? I maybe I buy a new plant once in 4 months, 6 months, and the guy who comes to my house, he's realized that my collection of plants is full now. Okay.
Yeah.
So he's realized I'm not buying a new plant. So he tells me, oh ये वाला नया, ये वाला लोगे तो इससे घर में लक्ष्मी आएगी. So then it's like, oh, do I not want money?
Nice.
So I buy it and then I Google it and none of them are superstitiously known as lucky for money. I'm just an idiot who spends all my money.
Dude, I keep buying
Yeah.
from Ugao.
Ugao.
And मैं कुछ नहीं उगा रहा भाई. सब मर रहे मेरे.
हाँ.
सब मर रहे, dude. I've stopped. So I need these is what I mean.
ये बहुत अच्छे हैं. ये 150 रुपए का एक है.
150 का एक है. And how much
That's
fasten
not a
up?
lot, right?
No, it's not. No, it's not. This is for 1500, dude. So that's fine.
यार
Yeah,
but इसमें
compared to this, yes, of course.
बट ये कारीगरी भी बहुत है इसमें.
Yeah.
I've
इतना
never
ये
had
सब
such a
detailing
serious.
देखो
और
यार.
जब ये मरेगा तो इसका पेट्रोल बनेगा. Okay.
ये कार के लिए बनेगा बस.
और 3 blockbuster movies उसके बाद.
बस ये कार आगे बढ़ेगा. I've never had such a serious conversation about crochets.
Crochet. Okay, tell me one thing. Is crochet really something that you want as an adult, or is this trying to fulfill like a childhood want of yours?
Framing of that sentence was a little.
I don't think crocheting was a huge thing growing up in anybody's life.
Like a cotton toy, like a soft toy. These are soft toys. Can I say soft toys? That
Soft
Soft
toys?
toy you can say.
I can say.
They are not soft toys यार.
He just asked you if he can.
मुझे लगा ये general language में पूछ रहा है वो.
Yeah. Oh, because we're too woke now. We can't say soft toys because all toys hard and soft are so. Are toys? No.
Soft
इसको
toys
इसको
problematic
इसको
कब
soft
से
toy
हो
बोल
गया?
सकते हैं ना? Yes or no? Does the audience have an opinion on this?
No,
No.
this is
Yeah.
art, guys.
This is
This
art.
is not some soft toy.
Soft toys?
Handicraft है ये,
Okay, चल.
handicraft.
This is a
ठीक है,
handicraft.
sorry.
Is this
ठीक है, machine में नहीं
Is this
बने
something
ये.
that?
ठीक है, चल soft toy बुला ले.
अरे
है वो.
What draws you towards this? What draws you towards this?
Actually, I'll tell you. मुझे
you
recent
only have to
time
tell us.
2-3 साल से मुझे ये हैंडक्राफ्ट और हैंड का कुछ भी हो, हैंड क्राफ्टेड कुछ भी होता है ना, मैं खरीद लेती हूँ. तो मैं खरीद लेती हूँ कुछ भी हैंड क्राफ्टेड, और स्पेशली अभी ये सब कोई कलर्स मुझे दिखाएगा और ऐसे क्यूट आईज वगैरह दिखाएगा और ऐसे पिंक इस पे ये बना हुआ है, हम जस्ट लाइक ठीक है इसको और कौन लेगा यार.
Actually, that you're correct. और
Yeah.
कोई
Next time
नहीं लेगा.
next time I
नहीं
go on to
लेगा
a
यार.
debate which says will AI take over the world, I'll say not if Shrija is a customer.
Never, yeah, AI नहीं.
You're supporting.
AI will only, मतलब ये actually ये मेरी एक चल ठीक है बाद में.
बता
नहीं,
दे
नहीं,
बता दे
नहीं,
please,
बता दे,
please.
बता
अरे
दे.
मैंने इतना बकवास बोला कि इसका एडिटिंग जॉब है हम लोग का.
Also, there's sorry. Before you say that,
वो लिखा है किसने बनाया है.
नहीं वो
नाम
भी
लिखे
नहीं.
हैं
You're
लोग,
you're doing it's for good. It's a not-for-profit social enterprise.
हाँ ये मैं खुद नहीं बोलना चाहती थी.
तुझे पता है?
I'm glad you-
Did you know this?
I knew it, bhai. I knew it.
Oh, this is literally a yellow school bus.
हाँ, sorry, you
Yellow
were saying?
taxi. मैं बोल रही थी कि मुझे हैंडक्राफ्टेड चीज़ें बहुत पसंद है.
ये
और इसलिए मैं
हाँ.
ये AI इसलिए कैन नॉट टेक ओवर, मतलब AI से सिर्फ ह्यूमन वर्क का वर्थ बढ़ता चला जाएगा.
Would you buy this? Would you
AI
buy
will
this?
increase.
No. But I would buy the crocheting stuff to crochet myself, to
crochet.
learn crocheting.
Yeah, I would do it as a
That I
hobby.
would-
That
Yes.
was too much.
That sounds fun.
No, we'll do it. Sell it to Shrija only. She's fine. It's fine. Let's just.
We just have to make it
Whoever
look
wants to
cute.
start crocheting,
Actually,
she'll buy,
yeah.
dude.
Yeah, like a
Yeah.
year ago, I'd gone to Gangtok or someplace. उधर मैंने एक keychain. It started with a keychain.
Yeah.
It started with a keychain, and then I don't know when it just became like an entire box of toys.
Okay,
I
if
didn't
I-
I
You're
didn't
calling it
understand.
toys now? You're calling it toys now? Is it that when you exit the room, they all come to life and play amongst themselves?
if I see you put a brand work out ना, I'll know कि अब मैं crocheting start कर लूँ. ये भर देगी पैसे कमा लिए इसने. अभी
यार
मैं.
तुम लोग क्रोशे कुछ भी हैंड क्राफ्टेड बनाओगे ना, मैं खरीदूंगी.
ठीक है.
To
मैं
fair,
खरीदूंगी.
to be fair, I do remember that once me, Shrija, and Sumit Saurav had a bunch of shows in Rajasthan, and she. No, it's just your handicraft fetish I'm talking about. Between Jodhpur and Jaipur, we had to.
Yeah.
It's a long ride, right?
Yeah.
You're from Rajasthan.
I know the story also.
And she stopped us in the middle because she found some godforsaken factory which she said is a tourist spot, which was going to be the spot I got murdered that day for sure. Because they also like customers. And
It was a factory.
it was some factory. It was a factory for handicraft. Are you listening to the irony
Yeah.
here?
Did you get something from?
Oh,
Yeah,
she bought a lot of shit. She spent all the money we made, and we hardly made money because it was divided in 3 people.
Can you buy from the factory
अरे
directly?
फैक्ट्री
Yes,
में वो
factory
साइड
outlet, dude.
में वो लगा देते फैक्ट्री आउटलेट, उधर चीपर रहता है. हमारा कैब ड्राइवर उधर लेके आओ, मैं उधर खड़े होके ऐसे घाघरे वगैरह अपने
Yeah.
कपड़ों के ऊपर.
Yeah. And she's asking us for opinions. This is Ghagra good. And I was like, I want to get to my show. Yeah.
The factory worker was like, yeah.
Yeah, but I gotta tell you though. I don't know if I ever told you this. Whatever you picked up and you went ahead, I picked up for like my grandmother, my
Yeah.
mother-in-law, my mom. I was like, if she's buying this, it must be good.
Then my
यही तो
grandmother.
है यार, मतलब ये इक्कत विक्कत. मुझे मैं कई सारी एम्ब्रॉयडरी सी बात कर सकती हूँ अगर तुम लोग सुनना चाहोगे.
Yeah.
I want to get into this world.
Yeah, so
Yeah?
there's this.
I mean, you got out of Rajasthan.
हाँ,
Sorry,
पटोला.
sorry.
नहीं,
Sorry,
नहीं,
sorry.
पटोला, पैठनी, इक्कत, बांधनी, बहुत कुछ रहता है.
Which is your favorite
लहरिया.
one? Which is your favorite one?
हाँ,
Yeah, what are the top 3?
लहरिया. लहरिया
शरारा
रहता
क्या होता है?
Yeah,
Sharara is
is
a type
not
of a dress, bro.
अच्छा, okay.
Okay,
sorry, just
honestly,
confirming.
even bandhani and all is not embroidery. It's a way of dyeing material.
Oh yeah, they
Okay.
have to kill the material for us.
It's a way of tying it up and dyeing it. Tie and dye कहते हो.
Oh, tie and dye.
That's where it comes
yes,
from.
Yes, tie and dye.
Okay, you have to Kasap was tied and dyed.
Oh my God, Ronak. 1 second.
यार मैं बाहर ही जा रहा हूँ.
Ronak has come with an agenda today.
Oh my God.
बैचो मैं भी पूरा दिन मेरे कंप्यूटर के सामने रिलेशनशिप एडिट करता हूँ. तुम लोग भी करो एडिट.
करेंगे भाई. करेंगे
तुम लोग भी करो बैचो. I want to be on a show where I can say shit that you have to fucking worry about.
Yeah.
You know,
Antrix
you
will
would
watch.
think
So okay.
that a person would go the other way कि वो इतना कैमरे के सामने रहता है उसको पता रहेगा कि ये तो नहीं बोलना
और अगर थोड़ा लेट आया तो टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करता होगा.
Wait. I want to talk about my stuff also.
हाँ ठीक है तुम लोग भी अपने बारे
नहीं
में
ये
बात
रख दो.
करो.
It's okay यार. अरे it's okay.
नहीं चलता है.
Yeah.
So I love coffee.
Oh.
I love coffee. But I started. Oh.
It's like
Might be.
You got a coffee machine or something? What is it?
Yeah, dude. I have a
Let's
coffee.
go!
Ah, fuck.
Dude, let's see it.
No, I didn't get my coffee machine here. Oh, you meant here?
Oh.
I didn't get it here. That I have at home.
हाँ.
But I
हाँ.
so.
दिखा क्या लाया let's see.
अरे बता रहा हूँ ना भाई इतना I have.
Sorry.
Coffee.
I'm just getting excited.
चुप
About it.
रहे.
He was happy that you can afford a coffee machine now.
No, I'll tell you why. Because I also just bought a coffee machine and I've
Man.
become a coffee boy now.
Oh, dude, I love it. I have an AeroPress
वैसे
also. हाँ फर्क पड़ता है ना.
फर्क पता चलता है तुम
Yeah,
लोग को
yeah,
ऐसे
yeah.
Can I
कॉफी
tell
के
you
बीच
something?
में.
Can I tell you something? Up until now, I've only been like a instant coffee boy,
Yes.
right? Like to and Nescafe and doodh and shakkar.
Yeah.
So, and I was always like, I don't feel awake. Despite caffeine, caffeine doesn't
Coffee
affect
doesn't
me.
affect me at all.
Caffeine and fuck, bro.
It gives
I
me-
got the machine and I was like, हाँ sir, the guy's giving me a demo. I was like, अच्छा और macchiato दिखाओ और affogato दिखाओ सब दिखा रहा है. And full day I was like, yo, what do I do?
Dude, it fucking works. So then I have a machine, I have an AeroPress also, but then the thing is I realized acidity is a thing कि मतलब it gets acidity नहीं sorry it gets acidic.
Acidic.
Acidity
Acidity
नहीं
is a
होता.
thing.
It gets acidic. The beans like gets acidic if you keep it out for too long. So then I had this packet, ठीक है, it got acidic.
How do you find
मतलब
out
how
if
you
it's
just
acidic?
see-
you taste it and it tastes
Wait, you taste
acidic.
you taste the bean?
अरे यार the coffee बनाते हैं इससे
अच्छा,
तो coffee
ठीक है,
you taste
okay.
and it gets
बट ये तो
acidic.
सील्ड है इसमें भी ऐसे
हाँ,
एसिडिक
airtight
हो
होगा
जाता
नहीं
है.
खत्म हो
अरे
जाता
इसने
नहीं but it
ziplock
just
किया है.
हाँ it gets acidic so
Ziplock
I was
है,
like
वो
ठीक
सील
है
नहीं करता क्या?
I was like ठीक है एक और ले लेता हूँ तो then I went somewhere out of town so this got acidic so I got another one this तो I forgot to open only then I got
Island का
another
है
one
ये.
So 1 second. तो ये बंद बैठे acidic हो गया क्या?
ये तो पता भी नहीं मुझे कि acidic हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ है
Acidic
खोला ही नहीं, वो
बोलते
भूल
हैं.
गया.
अच्छा, just for the sake of the podcast you kept buying.
I didn't, Baba. This is months of forgetting
second.
that I have a packet and getting. Every time I went to Blue Tokai, I was like, शायद नहीं है मेरे पास, and then I just got it.
That's a scam, right? You go to Blue Tokai and you're like, why should I spend 300 on this when I can buy 400 ka coffee beans and make 5,000 cups?
Exactly.
And you don't make 5,000 cups because it gets acidic.
Yeah, exactly. I did not do this for the podcast. This is I kept forgetting that I have bought. This is sealed, and it got acidic.
How do you find out, dude? Because my demo guy didn't tell me.
This is another one I got from the Caribbean, which I didn't open only.
You went to the Caribbean?
It's
For
coconut
1.5
coffee.
days, I went to the Caribbean.
Woo!
Dude,
Yeah.
एक second.
That's acidic. In case you didn't know.
So, just
So this is sorry. I'm so sorry. This is the new one. This is not acidic.
DU Art Cafe.
This is from Bangalore.
Bangalore, yes.
This is so. These are acidic.
Wait, so you can't use these
Are there
anymore?
any-
You can, but it's just acidic.
Are there any coffee connoisseurs here? Is there somebody who has like coffee?
Who makes coffee?
coffee hobbies?
Sorry?
Only two kinds.
Yeah.
one?
What do you
Okay.
choose?
Mocha pot and French press.
Oh yeah.
That's
Okay, okay.
crazy.
And what is
Okay.
your
मतलब वो
take on
तो
the
Do you like
Fancy
acidic
flavor.
coffee? Do you like
I
acidic?
mean, I drink on a regular basis. I work from home, so I need something to keep myself awake. नहीं तो I sleep. So I drink coffee regularly.
Have you tried crochet?
खत्म होते रहते. We're just selling stuff here.
Have you tried Nescafe and doodh? Because that doesn't work. I just want to say.
So इसमें लिखा है acidity medium.
Coke?
Medium, हाँ.
That was months back. Now it's high. It's basically इतने
Bitter
सारे हैं.
तो उससे तो एसिडिटी हाई होता है तो बिटरनेस भी हाई हो जाता है ऐसा क्या?
शायद.
नहीं वो
So
इसमें
then it
bitterness
just-
high है.
I'll tell
That's
you.
the flavor note of
I'll
this,
tell you
bro.
what the thing
Okay.
is. My brother told me. He also makes his own coffee. He told me कि 2 week बाद acidic होता है. उसके बाद मैं बस मुझे उतना ही पता है.
तेरा
One
बड़ा
second,
भाई
one
है
second.
छोटा भाई है?
हाँ,
बड़ा भाई
बड़ा
है
भाई
कि छोटा
है.
भाई?
तो इसमें अगर जैसे एसिडिटी मीडियम है और फिर उसके नीचे 4 डॉट्स है
Yes.
बेसिकली, तो और एसिडिक हो सकता है, तो देन
हो
ऑल्सो
सकता
इट्स स्टिल लेजिट,
Sure.
इट्स कंज्यूमेबल, राइट?
Sure.
भाई मुझे पता नहीं यार, पूछ रही हूँ.
श्रीजा
भी नहीं पता है.
Did you guys ever watch that Ranvijay
नहीं
Singh movie?
पता.
Did you guys
मैं-
ever
sorry.
watch? Did you guys ever watch that Ranvijay Singh movie Acid Factory? Did anybody watch it? Ranvijay from
the
80s.
movie?
Acid
I
Acid
know
Factory.
Ranvijay is, but
Acid Factory was
Acid Factory.
Yeah.
भाई रोडीज है वो.
So that's Toxic Factory.
No, that's Splitsvilla.
but बस यही था मेरा कि मैं किसी को चाहिए तो
That's
बोल दो. ये
insane.
सब 500 रुपए
नीचे
का है,
कैफे
एक-एक
में दे दो
packet.
भाई
क्या
उनको.
ये beans है क्या? ये beans
हाँ,
है? So can you grow a new coffee plant?
What the fuck do you mean, dude? Money plant नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ से मेरे पे. Coffee plant. So I got a grinder also to grind so that
To keep them fresh.
to keep
Yeah,
them fresh so
right.
that like I can grind it.
Right.
वो 5000
I feel
का
very
है.
fresh when I'm grinded again.
सुबह आता हूँ कल. But that's I'm tired of buying. There are more. I just could not
One
fit.
second, may I ask?
Oh yes, you may
Yes,
ask.
please.
सॉरी मैं देखो बहुत इंटरप्ट किया.
बोल ना.
मैं पूछ रही हूँ तो जो ऐसे लाइक आई ऑल्सो जब मैं कॉफी खरीदती हूँ
Yes.
बेसिक,
Yes.
तो वो जम जाती है, तो इज दैट व्हाट?
Sorry, क्या?
Yes. Instant
वही
coffee.
है क्या?
Oh, instant coffee जम जाती है.
जम
yes.
तो दैट्स
खुला
नॉट द
छोड़
सेम
देते
एज
हैं तो.
एसिडिक होना.
हाँ.
खुला नहीं, बंद में भी हो जाता है.
Oh.
Shreya, I don't think acidic का मतलब नहीं पता हमें से.
No,
मैंने बस सुना है.
She's asking you if
जमता
if
नहीं है.
जमना means
जमता नहीं
acidic.
है,
जमता नहीं
जमता
है,
नहीं
जमता
है.
नहीं है.
What do you do when it gets jam of it? Do you
जमता
just throw
कैसे
it or
है?
do you?
जम जाता है भाई वो.
अरे यार instant coffee
It
चिपक
becomes-
जाता है ना?
अच्छा, ओ.
हाँ.
हाँ,
मैं बहुत
मतलब-
टाइम से इंस्टेंट कॉफी लिया नहीं है. मैं थोड़ा
Oh, cool, guys.
सॉरी नहीं, आई जस्ट गो टू ब्लू टोक. मेरे घर पे कभी कभी अगर कॉफी खत्म हो जाती है लेकिन दूध और बर्फ रहती है तो मैं बस नीचे से एस्प्रेसो शॉट ले आता हूँ.
That's actually smart.
That's not so bad.
Yeah,
That's not
it's
so
like
bad.
it costs 40 rupees lesser than a nice
मैं
latte.
Yeah.
मैं एक नया पैकेट ले आता हूँ जब मेरे
I
घर
know
पे.
तू मेरे घर में बहुत बार छोड़ के भी गया है.
ओ, मैं तेरे घर पे भी है क्या?
एक सेम ब्लू टोक का पैकेट मेरे घर पे पड़ा है तेरा.
I have some
Okay,
problems.
so
What's
इस
a
पे-
mocha pot guy? What is a good coffee? Is Blue Tokai a good coffee?
I also use Blue Tokai.
It's good.
Yeah.
It's good. Ah, okay.
If you
We are
use
not
it
sponsored
regularly,
by Blue.
yeah.
I don't know why I did that, but Blue Tokai is good, ना? What
भाई,
about
तू क्या
10
बोल रहा
packets
है?
of Blue Tokai?
Yeah, sorry.
मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? तो सॉरी क्या बोलते रहते, बोल देना जो बोलना.
Sorry, देखो इंटरप्ट करके जो तू जोक मारने वाला था मैं वही मारने वाली कि you don't use Blue Tokai.
No, I do. So the thing is now sometimes like I buy these and I grinder भी खरीदा so that I make it. अरे हाँ ना बाबा. But I make it, but then sometimes I wake up and I'm like, you know, if I just order a coffee from Blue Tokai, I can by that time brush my teeth, take a shower, like get ready for that coffee. Okay, that doesn't.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Get ready for the. This is a weird get ready with me,
Wow.
by the way.
I'm
Wow.
getting ready for that coffee so that
Are you going out on a date with this coffee?
dude, my the guy who delivers my Blue Tokai coffee now, he's just like कैसे हो आज कैसे. That's how much I'm ordering from Blue Tokai. So
Because it says roasted on every 2 months the date.
oh yeah, this is newer.
Feb and April and
Oh, yeah, it's every 2 months. This is April,
and
this is Feb.
December time.
So are you
No,
going to
this is
stop
not.
buying coffee now that you have so much?
No,
but
this is acidic.
है ना.
But now that you're realizing that I am not good at this hobby, I'm wasting.
No, I bought 2 of these. One is at home. This I bought from Bangalore someplace. But I
That
want to
wasn't
keep.
the question. Answer to his
I-
question.
Yeah, okay, the answer is
is
no.
that he still buys, right?
Yeah, I will still buy.
Why did you like? Do you wanna? Are you already a coffee guy, or are you trying
Yeah,
to
I
develop?
like making coffee, but
You
it's
don't like
just-
making coffee. You like drinking
No,
coffee.
I like making it also, but I make bad coffee is what I realized, which is why I don't like drinking my own coffee. Sometimes I taste it, I'm like, oh, बहुत गंदा
So-
बना है.
After having 3 different ways of making coffee.
No, I have an AeroPress, I have a mocha pot like you, and a machine.
So 3, as I said.
नहीं, machine बंद हो गया काम करना
तो एरोप्रेस और फ्रेंच प्रेस अलग होता है क्या?
हाँ,
Yeah.
प्रेस सेम है वो दोनों में.
In French, they
नाम
use
में.
in French they use tongue. In
One
aero,
line just comes.
in aero you do.
One guy just comes in. But if anyone wants, I'm selling these.
But insane. So like, sorry.
No, please,
मतलब
please.
मैं बस
बोलना।
I'm just curious
बोलना।
कि अगर इसका ज़्यादा एसिडिक हो गया है
देख भाई acidity यार. हाँ. Yeah.
भाई तूने सिर्फ
या
ये
तो
एक
चीज़
रीजन
बोली
की वजह
है।
से छोड़ दिया है तो अभी इसका एसिडिक अगर बढ़ गया है तो इसको बनाने के कोई तरीके से उसको सैल्वेज नहीं किया जा सकता.
ये.
You can use it for other stuff.
Why
And
don't I
what?
make
You can make a scrub out of this, yeah.
Sorry?
A scrub.
Yeah. And I will buy
A
it.
scrub. Oh.
Yeah, I will
Yeah.
buy a scrub.
Just make it cute.
You can have it. I don't even want it. I didn't ask for money. This year, no, that's the less wala. You can take this.
Whoa.
You know, this is actually nice. क्योंकि नहीं चलेगा.
अच्छा, one minute. So,
I was wondering कि मैं ये घर कैसे लेके जाऊँगा तो good. You can have this also, but I'll keep the.
yeah, you know what? You know what? You
Some
know
of
what
these are
the
kind of-
problem with like coffee beans, it's so bougie, right? The coffee beans, like you can't go to a beggar and be like, ये आप ले लो. It's not like the beggar can be like, कोई गर्म पानी दो, मैं grind कर रहा हूँ, ये pothole के अंदर.
I got the grinder only so that when I buy these beans, I'm like, they'll be like, किसके लिए चाहिए? Do you want it for AeroPress? I'm like, just give me the beans, dude. Just, I'll do it, man. I have a
I know
grinder.
it.
I
And
grind
then-
my own beans.
Yeah, and
Yeah,
then 1
I-
week later, it's the same. Beans are just there.
I just got this week only. I think maybe 10 days हो गए मेरे coffee machine को. Okay.
Congrats.
Yo, it's
Congrats.
yeah. You know, I think.
Congrats.
Thanks.
Yeah, okay.
I just think that I realized now, as I said, that I realize now that caffeine has an effect on me, so I can't. I don't want to use it all the time, but because it's a new toy,
Yeah.
I want to use it all the time. So I'm just calling people home
To make coffee.
and then I'm like, come home for a drink, and I'm like, I didn't say the drink was cappuccino.
Oh, man. But buy coffee from Duo Art also. It's good.
I've read that you can also use it as a decent pesticide in your plants.
What?
One second.
Why we go to
Acidic coffee or regular coffee?
It changes the pH of your soil and it kills like the pests and stuff. So
My
Wait a
plants will be so confused. पानी नहीं दे रहा मैं उनको. Pesticide
नहीं दे रहा है. Okay, wait.
यार अपने plants को यार रोज
Sorry,
सुबह.
bhai, I just want to ask you, are you saying DU art is a pesticide or all of them?
Yeah, is it like thumbs up coke situation?
even if you've used it and you've made your coffee, you
Uh-huh.
use the used grounds as a pesticide.
So even the
the puck which comes
Do you
out.
mean compost जो कि हर
That's correct, that's
waste
what
को
she's
हम
gonna use.
use कर
Yeah.
सकते हैं. Sorry. Sorry, मैंने आपको बताया था ना मेरा थोड़ा issue है. Arrogance का थोड़ा सा.
just a little.
You were saying?
What does that say?
You know what you were saying.
आप कुछ गलत बोल रहे थे.
If it was
No, you don't have to. You keep it. This wasn't for the
She's worried
camera.
about that, by the way. Like, you have to give the
holding
coffee
it.
back.
This wasn't for the camera. You can have it.
Yeah,
you
these
can
are
keep
yours.
it.
You know how I've been calling people to drink coffee. She's going to call people to scrub them with coffee. She's going to be like, that's a lot of scrub, bro.
Just a regular Wednesday.
Sell these shit for like
Huh?
for real. In DU, like these girls they'll eat it out. Sell them.
Really?
Tell them product Najani ने दिया है so they'll come.
Okay, but
मैंने दिया है. गोविंद ने ये क्या झूठ बोल के ज़्यादा followers वाले का नाम लेके. You're just going to use that. I was going to give you this bag
गोविंद
so
ने
that you can
रौनक को
have it.
दिया, रौनक ने गोविंद को वापस दिया. गोविंद ने शीशा को दिया, शीशा ने होशाक को दिया. And then all of us were like, we don't want this together. We were like, Captain Planet.
Rona threw it like a freebie.
You can have this bag to keep that in also.
You know,
One
this
second,
is
one second.
Pender
Sorry.
Bender's first giveaway, yaar.
Yeah. Yes. Okay.
I would say this is not a giveaway. This is a garage sale.
Okay. Now
Recycling.
Now we're short on time, so we will get down to our last segment. All right.
Okay, hello guys. The third segment is usually a game.
You can
Or-
look ahead. It's okay.
Yeah, it's fine. You can, as long as you can hear me.
Or you can look there. Sorry, now all of you look there.
No, look here. It's the
Yeah.
voice of God.
Yeah. Ha.
For the third game today, what we're going to do is each of these panelists on stage, that is the two hosts and the two guests, have each shared a couple of stories with me related to money and spending. I will read one out at random, and the four of them have to then, so they don't know what the stories are. Each of them have to then determine whose story it is that I have just read out loud. And if it is one of their story, like it is, say it is Govind's story, Govind is the only one who knows that it is his story. So he has to pretend as if it's someone else's. The best way to understand these games is just by playing them. So let's
He
go.
does that every time, by the way.
He does that every time.
He never explains the game properly. Like, just play it, just play it.
Yeah, because in 5 minutes...
So we have to all pretend like it's ours, right?
If he reads out your story and you know it's your story, just pretend that it's not your story and it's
So
somebody
that
else's.
you'll find out that
No,
it's
you get
mine.
points.
Everybody is pretending that it's not their story.
It's not their
Yes.
story.
You get points for fooling others. If it is your story, you get points for fooling others.
There are
That's
no
not yours.
points.
No, there are points. I'll tell you why. And you also get points if you guess correctly. Why there are points is because if one person or multiple people does not get it right, they have to GPay 10 rupees to the anyone sitting in the front row.
The best way to know this is
Yes.
just by
Bye,
playing
तुमको
it.
कितना
Let's
मिलेगा
do it.
यार?
10 rupees.
एक second, 10
if you
रुपए
lose.
क्या दे रहे हो?
10
Why
rupees
do
if
you
you
lose?
lose.
Can we
10
talk
rupees
about
if you
this?
lose.
Can we GPay out of the DU money that comes from this coffee?
Yeah, from that
Yeah,
coffee,
done, let's do it.
the profit.
Let's do it.
That's
So we'll
crazy.
give you 10 rupees.
Imagine what is this?
Not after
What is
tonight,
this? What is this life you have that you are broke and you're sitting in the front row of Spender Bender?
And came from Delhi here. Delhi to here and has coffee three packets. ठीक है. Sorry, let's play
All right.
this.
Ready for the first story, guys?
Yes.
Yeah.
The first story is as follows. I once went for a concert and forgot my tickets/band in the car which was parked 2 kilometers away from the concert entrance. So I just bought a new ticket because I don't want to go back to the car. But then I realized that the band was in my pocket the entire time. So I sold it for a profit and made more money instead.
Oh.
Oh wow.
wow.
Great story.
I can't be Ronak. Actually, can be Ronak.
Yeah, why can't it be
Why?
wrong?
I don't know why I said that.
I'm so offended right now.
Actually, मेरा
You don't think Ronak
sorry
is
to say मेरा immediately रौनक आया दिमाग
Yeah,
में
I was
कि ये
thinking रौनक.
रौनक की
I am the kind of guy who goes to concerts.
oh shit यार
I think it's him, honestly.
I was thinking it's either Govind or Ronak.
Okay, before we continue, I
Yeah.
want to ask you, what is the most expensive concert you've been to?
Expensive concert. I've paid 12,000.
Which one?
Oh.
Lola. नहीं Coldplay नहीं था. Lola.
Lollapalooza.
yeah.
Which year
Lollapalooza.
was it? This year?
Last year or last to last year, I don't remember which year, but it was because I was supposed to get in for free. Somehow I didn't, so I paid 12,000. Yeah.
Not somehow. Your house help threw your ticket away. That's why.
Oh yeah! Oh, I'd forgotten. She threw my ticket and. Oh no! Wait, I shouldn't
Said
mention.
Oh, so
what
then you
she
bought a
threw.
new one and then turned out it was in your pocket the entire time.
Oh!
Yeah.
That
It
was
was
him. I sold my car. I don't have a car.
Yeah.
I don't have a car.
That's
How
a
will I
good
do
point.
that?
You all you had a car.
Yeah,
I
you're
sold
the
it.
only one I
When
know.
did you sell it?
At the
last year.
concert.
At the concert. At a profit, matlab I sold the car for a profit. No, but it's not. I think it's Ronak only. I'm pretty sure it's Ronak.
Yeah, because Ronak is the
Oh.
only other person outside of Govind who I know has a car. On this panel.
मुझे गोविंद पे
Wow.
अभी लास्ट के कॉन्वर्सेशन से थोड़ा गोविंद पे शक हो रहा है।
Yeah.
हाँ, क्योंकि बहुत बार करता
ये
है ऐसे
मेरा तो
last minute.
बिल्कुल भी नहीं है ये।
Yeah,
Actually, मैंने भी नहीं सोचा एक बार भी. एक बार भी
no.
दिमाग में नहीं आया.
Nobody thought that you were
Yeah,
Ozzy
we did,
Osbourne's
we did.
farewell.
But wait, it's Ronak. For a profit and all, though,
For a
it's-
profit, this sounds like some shit I would do. For sure,
Yeah.
right? That's right. That's true.
I'll say Ronak.
I
Okay,
think
go-
Okay,
it's
go
why
and
is
say
it
no.
not
Govind.
yours, Hoshang?
Huh?
You want
No
to
car.
say?
I
I
think
don't
it's
have a
Hoshang.
car.
I think it's Hoshang.
But there's no
Hoshang
car.
or Abhimanyu.
He does. Oh अच्छा मेरे पास भी कार नहीं है बट तुम लोग मेरे को शक भी
But
नहीं
किसी
कर रहे
दोस्त के
हो
साथ भी तो गए हो सकते हैं.
ओह
अच्छा।
फिर तो तू
Oh.
भी हो सकता है
I didn't think of that. फिर तो हो सकता हूँ मैं भी.
I am
मैं
going
था
with
क्या?
Ronak. What are you
Okay,
going with yourself?
firstly, what is this loser concert where you can buy the tickets online at the gate for cost price,
But you can do that.
but
at
you're
the distance.
selling at above cost price to
Yeah.
people who aren't aware of
Oh, that's
Book
true.
My Show.
I mean, you'll know. It's your story, dude. What?
How did you convince them, dude?
How did you? Okay, who are you going for? You?
I'm going with you.
Me.
I
Yeah.
think it's
I'm going for
Hoshang.
you.
What the fuck? Oh, Hoshang, it's so divided. Mostly me.
Mr.
but-
Hoshang.
Not Shrija for sure.
Yeah, not Shrija for sure. Whose is it?
So Govind says Ronak. Ronak said Hoshang. Hoshang said
me.
Govind.
Govind.
And she
And
also
Shija
said me,
said
yeah.
Govind also. The correct answer is Hoshang Mani.
What car?
So Ronak is the one who got it right.
This was 10 years ago. I had gone to Delhi for a concert with a friend and
Right.
with the driver also.
Oh, I forgot there are other cities where there can be cars. Yeah.
So we parked the car, like driver के साथ गाड़ी छोड़ दिया था. We entered and we forgot. I realized that I don't have my ticket, and we don't know where it was parked. So we would have to go out and look for the car, and there was no
उधर
network or
concert ही
anything.
खत्म
So I
हुआ.
just bought a new ticket. But
Online खरीदा
No,
तूने?
वहीं पे box
वहाँ
office.
पे.
This is 10 years ago, dude. There was no online working then.
What concert? Which band?
This was
which?
10 years ago, 2015.
2015.
Internet was there 2015.
No, but like I was in Delhi and
Correct.
when the
Who
score-
was
अच्छा
playing?
बॉम्बे में तो आ गया था.
Who was playing? Who was playing?
It was DJ Tiesto.
Oh, Tiesto. Tiesto का कौन सा गाना है वो? Throw my hands up in the air sometimes.
It's all of them.
Popular है, बहुत
DJ
popular.
Tiesto नहीं but कौन सा क्या तो फिर कितने में बेचा?
So I bought the ticket for 6,000 because
Okay.
I stood in the queue and I went to the very end because concert had already started. We were very late.
Oh shit.
Then I bought it. I realized I have my own ticket. जो पीछे एकदम खड़े हुए थे line में. I just went to them कि guys, I'll just pay me 1,000 extra. Who wants to stand in the queue? And they're like, you have a good point. So they just paid me 6,000 instead of 5,000, and we both entered.
Crazy यार.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice dude.
And how much was your?
5,000.
5K. I made a profit of 1,000.
Yeah,
1000. That means
Yeah.
तेरा फिर 4000 का टिकट हो गया ना फिर.
I mean, if you're
That's
going to
good.
watch Tiesto, you better make a profit instead
Yeah.
of a loss. Not waste money.
Well, I was
That's
also 16, 17 at the time, dude. I loved Tiesto.
That's good. At
yeah.
17 you made a 1000 as well.
Yeah,
100 is
I
so
got like
much
3
money.
extra
Awesome.
beers inside.
Yeah, that's
Awesome.
2 packets
Bro.
of coffee, dude. That's 500 each.
Instead of 3 beers, you could have bought a new Nano on Facebook Marketplace.
Okay, let's do one more.
Let's do one more.
We lost it in parking also. साथ में लेके जाता था अंदर.
All right, the next one. I'm going to read it verbatim as it was exactly sent to me.
Okay.
You'll understand why. The story is a rags to riches story of a small town man's ruthless rise in the world of business. Inspired by Dhirubhai Ambani, it explores ambition, love, and the blurry lines between success and ethics. This is a story that was sent in by someone.
That's his.
That's Ronald, dude.
You know what? That's my money story. Money Ratna baby. Guru. Yeah. That's the best joke of the night. Okay, किसको क्रोशे चाहिए? Ladies.
I can see this bullshit. It's Ronak.
I was texting to him right now.
Typing it right now.
I went to ChatGPT and said, give me 2 lines on the movie Guru.
Okay, then let's do one more.
Let's do one more.
Dude,
Yes,
when he
please.
was texting, I thought he's just checking up on what's happening at the police station. Is Henna okay?
That's what I'm doing. I'm texting 100. You up?
Okay, one
Okay,
last
let's
one.
do an actual one. The next story is this one time midway through a trip, I decided the place we were staying at was too inconvenient. It was surrounded by some thick foliage. It had too many bugs and fireflies. We should book a 5-star and move there, I said.
Fuck, what are you guys writing, dude?
So,
What are you writing?
screenplay,
By
dude.
Terra?
Please let me hear this. It's very important.
So we booked the top rated one online. It turned out to be a forest resort. The first thing they gave us at the reception was a bottle of salt because the property was full of leeches.
Oh God. Oh no.
So bugs से भागे leeches के पास is what happened.
क्या बात है?
सही बोला है
It
भाई,
came with a
एकदम।
tagline.
No, that
Okay.
I
अच्छा,
अच्छा,
क्या?
क्या बोला है भाई?
right.
So,
Marriott Forest Hills. बग से भागे.
leeches के पास.
it's a good tagline.
Great time.
Okay, wait.
ये
So
मुझे गोविंद
Should I
का
read
लग
it
रहा है।
again? That was a
I
little
don't
wordy.
think it's
No,
Govind
I don't
क्योंकि
wanna
गोविंद
read
इतना कभी नहीं लिखेगा.
मैं ऐसे एक तो इतना लिखूंगा
मेरा नहीं है यार।
and I won't be like blah 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 he said and
Okay, let's hear the
Even I wouldn't.
let's see the spending habits of this person. This
Yeah.
person had a minor inconvenience,
Yeah.
which
Yeah.
was the insects, which
Yeah.
is which is
is
major
fine,
for
fair,
some people
fair,
depending on
yeah.
their phobias.
Which-
But ठीक है, minor inconvenience because you are on a trek, you are expecting that this will happen. Anyone would warn you that this will happen, and they say, "Oh, this is too bad. Let me now take my credit card and buy the best hotel because I am a beautiful princess who deserves the best."
Yes.
Salt. It's the worst way.
कातिल आप हो श्रीजा.
Of course it's
So
you.
clearly him.
Of course it's you.
Okay.
इतना भाई obvious
we
कर
should
दिया
ask the
तुमने.
audience in the last one.
Yeah.
So before once we
No,
are done,
this is the last one. So
in the previous one I'm saying. So once we are done, we should ask the audience also. I think.
okay.
Well, who
Yes.
they think it is. I think it's definitely Shrija.
It's Shrija.
It's
Because
not
I've-
me,
It
yaar.
has to be Shrija.
I love insects. See.
Yeah.
Actually,
What do you think this sunflower is? Is to attract insects.
but
I
okay,
know it's definitely not Govind because Govind and I have traveled together and we stayed at like a tree resort thing where there were a lot of insects, but we did not move. We just
Oh,
You
stayed
could have
there.
gone sometime else also, Hoshang, with someone else.
I'm saying
While I'm living in the same room with them.
In
He just
general-
disappeared.
in
ये
general-
थाईलैंड की है, ये थाईलैंड का भी हो
ये
सकता
थाईलैंड का
है.
है क्या?
All the trips in his life,
Oh, हाँ,
you
okay.
know what?
Oh no, that way.
Nah.
No, but I know that he doesn't care about insects as much. Because I
और तूने कह
suggested
दिया
should we
हमने मान
move?
लिया.
अच्छा. So one second. Let's ask more questions.
Yeah.
So then, what would be the thing if not insects that would make you be like, I'm out?
Frogs.
Frogs? You're scared of frogs?
Frogs.
So we
What is it
don't
for
know
you?
what
What is
insects
it for
are.
you?
We know what insects
Frogs
are.
eating नहीं होते हैं यार.
Frogs थोड़ी.
At
Wait, वो
least if
क्या
you're
होता है
trying to
वैसे?
deviate yourself from being the killer, do it convincingly.
Yeah, frogs insects नहीं होते.
You think I look like this sort of a person?
Yeah.
How many of you guys think it is Shrija? Make some noise.
Oh my god.
Noise. We can't see your hands. Govind?
See, done.
Bloody nonsense.
Yeah. Well done, all of you.
Wait, no one suspects us?
No.
अरे क्योंकि हो गई ना वो
Actually, दो
stories यार.
story भी भेजे थे.
मैंने तो 3 भेजे थे.
Yeah.
मैंने
हाँ, this is the.
फिर
But
तो
you
ये
only
होशांग भी हो
अरे,
सकता है guys.
तो क्या कहा था ये?
अरे this was in Wayanad.
Yes, it was Shrija's story. Yes.
Shrija yaar.
You just agreed. Where was this?
Shrija.
This was in Wayanad yaar.
The worst
This
in
is
an
like-
interrogation situation.
This is like the end of a Scooby-Doo episode.
No, but the culprit is doing it himself.
Himself is like, हाँ मैं ही हूँ यार.
Why not? Yeah.
वायनाड में हम लोग एक जगह गए थे होम स्टे में एंड वी थॉट दैट वाज इनकन्वीनियंट.
We or
मैं एक फ्रेंड के साथ थी.
Is it a special friend?
A special friend. Yeah, I was a special. A friend.
A friend with special needs?
और हमने म्यूचुअली डिसाइड किया कि ये थोड़ा होम स्टे बेसिक है और इधर बहुत सारा ये सब क्रीपी क्रॉलीज है.
क्या थे?
थोड़े थे यार, बग्स थे यार.
अच्छा.
और वो जुगनू वगैरह सुंदर लग रहे थे
हाँ.
बट देन दे वर देयर द एंटायर नाइट इन द रूम.
Yeah, that's bad.
इन द
Yeah,
रूम
Can I tell you what I think? Sometimes
बट डर लग रहा था
yeah,
उससे.
you know, sometimes when you're driving past like imagine you're driving past like a beautiful meadow. It's
Yeah.
amazing while the sun is up, but as soon as the sun is out, it's all creepy.
It's very creepy
It's all
यार. वो
creepy, yeah.
डरावना लगता
Yeah.
है.
Saying
फिर
Kerala is
ये
creepy.
टर आवाज
Well, you said
Kerala.
you have problem with Kerala? Say it now.
You're saying Kerala is creepy?
Huh?
Excuse me, I'm from Kerala.
Wayanad is creepy यार.
Wayanad is in Kerala.
Forest is creepy.
ठीक है. हाँ. फिर-
Forests are creepy.
Insects are creepy.
You think that Kerala insects are creepy?
Are you
Insects
saying
are
Malayali
creepy.
insects?
Insects. तो वो मलयाली में बात करें ना वहाँ पर.
Malayalam.
हाँ.
Malayalam.
मलयालम.
It's okay.
देख ये पार्ट तो एडिट हो जाएगा.
ये पार्ट एडिट कर दे.
हाँ.
तो मलयालम में बात करें ना यार वो फिर.
Fuck, कितने smoothly बोल दिया यार तूने श्रीजा. And then you guys went to this other resort.
We booked this other resort and we thought like it's full on like उस पे luxury लिखा है भाई.
नाम में ही.
लग्जरी लिखा है
हाँ.
उधर और हमारे रूम के अंदर मंकी आ गया.
That's an exotic experience. What are you talking
Even the monkey wanted luxury, man.
लग्जरी वो लेकर चला गया हमारा खाना. पार्ले जी लग्जरी में भी वो पार्ले जी लेकर चला गया. उतना ही था हमारे पास. हमारे बनाना वगैरह.
तुम्हारे पास सिर्फ पार्ले जी था क्या घर में?
Bananas.
Luxury. All their money went into buying luxury.
Yeah, into buying this luxury resort.
Wait, the monkey came into क्या पार्ले जी?
या हमारी बिल्डिंग हमारे रूम के अंदर आ गया वो. और
So-
लेके चला गया सब.
ओके
And
ये
this is
तो
what-
नॉर्मल है बट लाइक
ये
तू रूम में
normal
थी नॉर्मल बस सी देख हिल स्टेशन में होता है
होता ही
महाबलेश्वर
है।
में हुआ है मेरे साथ भी हुआ
क्या
है
बात कर रहा है?
Yeah,
Again,
माथेरान
So
में
why
होता
are
है
not more people talking about
Again,
this?
I'm saying this as a person who lives here in near Kandivali
Near Wayanad.
Borivali.
Oh,
Kandivali Borivali. मेरे घर पे आते हैं बंदर तो
अंदर
हाँ
क्या बात कर रहा है यार?
तो मैं ये क्या अजीब झूठ है भाई आते हैं यार अब बंदर अब आते हैं अगेन आई हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट इट आल्सो दे कम वंस
कॉफी लेने
I wish no they one monkey came once he took my lighter another monkey
डॉग रियली
yeah I swear two lighters
fucking lighter so monkey see monkey do means they see us holding the mic so they hold the mic they take our phone they hold it like that तो उसने लाइटर
दो
चलाया
लाइटर लिया चला गया
चलाया कुछ you don't
नहीं
know
लेके चला गया he went
उसकी पार्टी बाहर चल रही थी उसको बस चाहिए था.
हाँ I think he was some teenager monkey dude I think वो चिट्टे से he just wanted to smoke
So is your monkey making your coffee acidic or something? पीछे से आ गया.
hey you know monkey potty का एक कॉफी बनता है
हाँ monkey
नहीं, cat poop का बनता है.
cat poop
एक नहीं वो एक
What?
सिविल कैट का
That's
होता है एक अलग वो
disgusting.
इंडोनेशियन होता है एक मंकी पॉटी का भी बनता है
ये कितने पॉटी का बन रहा है
I can't believe anything anymore. लेने वाला
मंकी
से.
पॉटी का भी बनता
होता
है
है ना you all know this ना
Panda
पैंडा
का
का भी होता है
भाई
अरे
यार.
why are we doing this to every potty
there's just people playing around with
That's insane. Who
Yeah.
would have thought that कि ऐसे पॉटी लेकर फ्रेंच प्रेस पे डाल देते हैं?
वो भी टंग के साथ
The beings ferment inside the body.
What the fuck?
Wait, like
they get acidic inside.
Literal beans come out.
And then one second, then it
Yeah.
goes to the whole refinery process. It's not.
I'm sure.
It's not outside Starbucks. में आया हूँ सर.
डाल दो
That is disgusting.
okay
तो वो बीन्स वो खा नहीं जाता क्या? मतलब वो
अच्छा खा के ही तो बाहर कैसे आ रहा है श्रीजा वो अंदर खा के
तो
ना
पे-
अंदर
उसका
बन के
तो-
बाहर आ रहा है.
The acidity in his stomach.
like you know when you have
that's
corn
disgusting.
Oh, have you ever had? You know, the first time when I was a kid and I had beetroot, I thought when I was shitting, I thought I was dying. I was like, shit. How do I tell my mother I'm terminal?
Have to go get an MRI scan.
okay so before we started we asked you guys to write chits that wasn't just to waste time so that we fix audio that also is part of the show
But now I'm thinking we can use it next time. If we
yeah next time we'll be like 5-6 और लिख दो ना 1-2 और घंटा लगेगा थोड़ा चालू कर रहे हुए I'm sorry I got distracted by one purchase
Yeah.
which is the most insane thing I've read
That's
by the way
insane.
yes
Yeah, what's the question?
What's a purchase? Okay, so for
Wow.
whoever didn't read the question is what's a purchase you'll defend forever but others find stupid? Okay, remember this. Others find stupid or just mention anything that's funny that you own. MRI brain scan.
wait, hold on.
Okay,
Hold on. I have
Who
a
is
question.
this?
People find it stupid that you got a brain
Who's
scan.
finding this stupid?
One second, but why did you get the
Yes,
scan?
yes, that's an important question.
So I'm having a headache every day.
Okay.
Okay.
I thought I had a tumor.
So उससे पहले आपने like अपना नंबर चेक करवाया? Maybe you have.
Paracetamol. like,
This was her priority.
Yeah.
पहले MRI scan.
MRI
फिर नंबर चेक फिर देखते गैस तो नहीं है मुझे कहीं. That's it.
Did you have a coupon or something for a brain scan? Or that was your first thought?
what happened then after you got the MRI brain scan?
Got a scan.
Yeah.
I wasn't expecting it to be a 15-minute third हुआ.
Oh.
आवाज आई. फिर कुछ हुआ नहीं. My scan was clear. So then I went to the eye doctor. And he said you have a postural issue. So then I went to physio and then.
Physio. This ended with a physio.
Wait, you had headache because you had bad posture?
Oh shit! I didn't even know that was.
Okay.
Wait, what was your posture? Could you like
अच्छा पूरा ऐसा.
this?
Okay, and also how much does an MRI scan cost? 7-8. Okay,
But
I don't know
I'm
why.
sure you must have been scared because you thought you
That's
had a tumor and your
insane.
friends were like, funny, you dumb fuck.
Stupid.
I think I was watching too much of Grey's Anatomy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Understandable.
But in my defense, would you rather you find out 3 years later that I have an untreatable tumor?
No,
No, I
No,
mean,
I mean,
that's a good
I
difference.
won't want to figure out that you have a tumor 3 years later. I agree, but also,
But that wouldn't be my first guess
yeah, I
to
would-
go for an MR.
I know
yeah.
Google
Yeah.
says ki everything's cancer, but like I've never seen someone follow through. And
Yeah,
like,
actually, yeah, that's what you go like. Even I think anything that's मेरा अगर nail chip हुआ है मुझे nail cancer है या ऐसा कुछ भी like everything is cancer but you eliminate you hope कि hopefully number ही बस बड़ा होगा मेरा है ऐसा कुछ
नंबर तो नहीं था ना एक्चुअली
Posture खराब था.
posture खराब था
अच्छा।
वो
पॉस्चर वाले के पास थोड़ी ना जाती हूँ मैं फर्स्ट
that's
also-
fair
हाँ पहले
Yeah.
तो MRI
That's-
yeah.
right
I agree.
only MRI could have opened that door
फ्रेम मतलब करा लिया है तो रूम में लगा देती हूँ मैं
what oh wow
Oh.
yeah
Like instead of
It's
how people
art.
have certificates and gold medals, you're gonna put your MRI report.
that's a certificate
व्यू का स्कैन है तो 2-3 लगा के अच्छा
क्या फोटोज मिलते क्या?
नहीं,
sorry, scan.
भाई photos.
मैंने नहीं किया, I'm sorry, I have
एक्चुअली दे गिव फ्रेम्स पर मुझे नहीं दिया
हाँ.
हुआ ही नहीं
कुछ था ही नहीं या fair,
बोल क्यों दे ही दो तो फ्रेम करा देते हैं
but you can just
You
go test
can.
over.
So my dad's a doctor
Oh, so it didn't cost you 7K at all. It didn't cost you 7K at all.
yeah because कुछ था नहीं ना तो he felt guilty
कुछ निकलता तो नहीं देते
So, oh my god, dude, okay.
फिर तो आगे बहुत देने ही वाले हैं ये वाला रहने दो ना प्लीज क्रेजी यार
This
crazy.
is
That
the was
amazing.
best one I've seen. MRI, so I thank God it's nothing. Because it said funny, and I was like, I hope this doesn't.
Insane.
This was now.
Hey, congrats on being cancer free.
Well done, well done. You know, I did realize. I was just like, उसका posture बहुत अच्छा है जो बैठी है वहाँ पर.
एक ये भी
हाँ.
है ये a purchase you'll defend forever
I think someone has come to collect its clothes.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Give up for Ronak Rajani.
Rona you want to change and come oh no
It's up to you, dude. You can sit here with.
we gave you a homecoming
Hey, man.
game.
Thank you. I'm sorry I'm late, guys.
But we had you in spirit here.
Yeah.
That's good.
Put the belt on, all, dude.
Is that what your spirit looks like? Your clothes?
Oh man, cannot believe this show keeps getting better, guys.
Yeah, man. Yeah, dude.
First
look
we
at
give
this.
Ronak a farewell and he comes home.
He comes.
Then.
Oh, this is like every farewell I've ever been part of. I realize they love me when they saying bye. So I go back at that exact time. It's like, okay, since you guys love me, I'm not going anywhere.
Welcome, dude. Welcome to the
Yeah,
show.
hello, hi, hi.
There's a belt behind you if you
There
want
is
to
a
remove
belt.
that.
Yeah, and your
Okay.
jeans and
That's
your
fine.
t-shirt.
Sorry,
That's fine.
guys,
By
because
the
of
way,
me.
that belt is old.
It's old as shit. Yeah, yeah.
It's really old, man. That
Yeah. I as I said on the last Bender, I'm actually much cheaper than I look. I've been using that same belt for a while now. I got it actually. I got it in London Primark, which when you convert to rupees was like 125 rupees. And for like a year and a half, it's a banger belt for 125 rupees, dude.
Oh, yeah. Dude,
Yeah,
that guy's
yeah.
also been to Europe. If you didn't know.
Even I
There's a
have
guy
been.
there.
Yeah.
She's
I've
also
been.
been.
Yeah, three of us went Primark together. we bought
Guys, so
together.
like
for-
what he's saying is 125 rupees, मतलब like 1 pound or
1
something
pound.
there.
Oh, yeah,
आप लोगों को
a
शायद
pound.
पता ना हो.
Conversion.
हाँ.
शायद पता नहीं हो.
पता ना हो.
So
Yeah.
see, this is they've written. Some of them have written.
Yeah, we asked them what they
Yes,
spend money
what
on,
they
and
spend
they've
money on.
answered.
Okay.
One person
Yeah.
wrote and they left.
They
There's no
just
one
left,
yeah.
They just left. So
Yeah.
there's one.
एक हम लोग ये वाला
ये वाला पढ़
sorry
लेते हैं.
ये
Yeah,
वाला
yeah,
yeah.
I'm sorry I'm late. I'm not unprofessional or something. I just had an emergency because of which.
We mentioned. We mentioned.
Okay.
You think we just put your clothes out and didn't acknowledge it at all?
Give it up for
Yeah.
Ronak.
Okay.
He's right
Okay.
here.
Wouldn't it be crazy if I walked in naked? Just like, go with Hoshan, क्यों किया यार? Sorry.
Yeah, we
I-
told them you were in the washroom.
I was in the washroom. I was in the
Emergency,
washroom. Yeah, that was my emergency. I had diarrhea.
This lady
Yeah.
here was heartbroken.
Yeah,
that
she
you
was
were not
very
coming.
sad
Yeah.
that you weren't
Yeah,
coming.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
I came from Delhi, so I
You
To
came
for
from
this?
Delhi for this?
no, not for this. I'm
So
then-
फिर-
No,
What do you do?
Yeah.
Just came for Delhi.
One
That's
second.
the statement.
My grandfather came from Pakistan. Okay, so yeah.
Okay, so wait, we were reading one more, so this is something.
Yeah. A purchase will defend forever, but others
Others
so,
find stupid.
Ronak, you
Or
know the
just any
format of
funny.
the show, right?
So this is about spending money.
It's
and,
about spending money.
Sorry, I've
Yes.
just been mansplaining.
Yeah.
I don't know
to
if
everyone.
you
Yeah.
know
Sorry,
that.
sorry.
Since you-
Has Srija said what she wasted her money on?
No,
Not
no,
yet.
we'll get
Not
to
yet.
it.
We'll
We'll get
reach
to
there.
that.
We'll get
Okay.
there. So,
Someone say Himesh concert tickets.
Yeah, wait na. अरे भाई क्या है?
Acha, I don't know. I thought I missed all of it.
No, no, you didn't miss. You missed two. And the first one you missed was MRI brain scan.
So wait. Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
That
It started
was someone's
really
first
hard.
started-
yeah,
it
started
you,
really
and
hot.
you also, yeah, एक और
Hot as in like, मतलब not hot.
Yeah,
So you
yeah,
guys,
yeah,
one
yeah.
second. You guys also started late only.
अरे भाई.
I'm apologizing for being unprofessional. I
I
don't realize you
apologized
guys.
once and then.
Are you on the way here? One second. On the way here, I'm like stressed out. I'm fucking wet and I'm in shorts. Okay, and I'm just like, how do I go to this show? Okay, and I meet some couple outside saying, "तेरा show था ना आज?" And I was like, "Oh, is it over?" नहीं, हम लोग को भी entry चाहिए. I've literally escorted two people. Say, आइए sir, ये आपके seats हैं.
Dude, we started late. We were like sorry, and then we were like now there's one more sorry. You are also not here.
Okay, चल.
हाँ, sorry.
हाँ, चल, sorry. इसमें
But
लिखा है,
sorry.
spending most of my earnings on a girl, I'll defend it to others, but it wasn't worth it.
Oh my god, dude. भाई तेरे आते ही relationship चालू हो गया. Who is this
कौन से
heartbroken guy?
संदीप रेड्डी वांगा ने लिखा है ये बताना.
Who's
Why?
Who's
what?
Wait. That guy.
You spent all of your earnings?
Kind of.
What?
Kind of.
What was this in Thailand?
like-
This sounds like some scam only. that you got.
It's like he put his daughter in school. That was the girl he wasted money on.
wasn't worth it. Wait, what did you spend? Like,
No, we went on trips and waters, like went for shopping and all of that.
oh fuck, dude.
Okay,
I can't-
okay, wait. How extravagant were these trips?
Yeah.
Were you
Where?
wasting money or what was it?
No, we were enjoying.
Okay.
Where did you go?
We went to Goa, we went to Ladakh, all of that stuff.
Oh, nice. And like you were only paying for everything.
Yeah.
And were you
Oh.
making these plans?
The plan was both of us.
Okay.
Fuck,
Oh.
dude, you're too sad, man. I don't
sorry.
know
Yeah.
what to.
It's
Tell
like your
you also.
voice is cracking with every
The sad part was we broke up then.
Where?
On the
On
trip?
the trip.
What?
On the trip.
Which
Oh,
which trip?
no.
On the Goa trip.
Oh.
Then you paid for her flight back?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm sure. Wait, did you guys come back together?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah,
At
I
least
mean,
you're-
come on. You bought tickets. You're not going to be like,
Yeah.
okay, I'm not. Yeah, that's fair. You come back together.
At least you all broke up on the cheaper trip.
Yeah,
The more
Ladakh.
expensive one, you all had a good time.
And the shorter trip, Ladakh से
Yeah.
यहाँ पर ज़्यादा time भी
हाँ, थोड़ा
लगेगा.
ज़्यादा time भी
Why
लगता
did you guys break up?
Yeah. You wrote this, dude.
Come
I'm
on,
sorry.
dude.
Yeah.
You would have never.
Come on,
known.
dude. I wanna know if you are entitled enough to say कि मैंने पैसे भरे थे तो don't break up with me, or it's like come on, you're an asshole. You deserve it. I wanna know that. So okay, option B, ladies and gents.
Yes.
बता दे कुछ तो हुआ है ना? What was the breakup because of?
झगड़े वगड़े हो गए.
Yeah, but was it like
Why did she say कि एक और ट्रिप करना है इसके बाद? And you're like, बस यार इतने पैसे ही है यार मेरे पास. But I mean,
Whatever you're comfortable sharing.
I think comfort चला खत्म हो गया इसका. 2 मिनट पहले ही खत्म
कुछ
हो
तो
गया
और
था.
comfortable होंगे आप बताने के
थोड़ा
लिए.
comfortable हो जाओ
थोड़ा
यार.
और कुछ
अब
बता
तो हो गया
दीजिए.
ब्रेकअप भाई ठीक है.
When was this?
No, I
Last
saw
week.
on the phone कि वो दूसरे लड़के के साथ involved थी.
okay? So you caught her cheating on that trip.
I caught her cheating.
Before the trip?
No, at the on.
On the
Oh.
trip, yeah.
Wait,
Oh,
one second.
sorry,
Caught her
yeah.
cheating like by checking her phone or like cheating, physically cheating?
Checking my phone.
Checking your phone.
Checking her phone.
Did you pay for the phone?
Oh. Oh no.
Right.
Oh man,
Time to buy and get on a new phone.
fuck.
That's great.
Dude, okay,
That's
whatever.
great. You know what you should have? And then the new phone would not have had that guy's number.
Dude, whatever
Oh,
relationship you get into next, just कितना कमाता है भाई तू? ये क्या
ये
है?
सारा earning ले लिया
Come on,
बोला
Ladakh
तो
गोवा लेकर गया यार.
Okay, so
Like,
but then
it's
how
not
do you
bad.
ऐसे तो
defend-
लगता है ना दो जन के.
Yeah, dude, I thought you took it to like Belarus or something.
Okay.
yeah.
I mean, if you don't mind sharing, how do you defend it to others?
Those बोलते हैं कि they did not like the girl, of course.
मैं ऐसा I'll do this. मैं तेरी दोस्त हूँ. I'm like, क्या पागल है क्या? इतना कौन खर्चा करता है? चूतिया है क्या तू? I'm just. And then you defend it.
By saying,
I was in love. I was defending myself. कि हाँ, ये क्या है? This purchase.
हाँ पैसे क्या है कमा लेंगे यार.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
okay.
man.
That's okay.
It's okay.
Fair
but
enough.
Where do you work?
Yeah.
For
Raja shipping company.
as a
Oh.
at a ship? Oh, ship में जाते थे क्या तुम लोग? To make it cheaper.
Maybe तुम उस कार्गो में छुप जाओ.
इतने ही पैसे हैं भाई, आ जाते हैं हम गोवा.
And she's like, उस कार्गो में छुप जाओगे क्योंकि उसका बॉयफ्रेंड वहाँ पे पड़ा हुआ है.
Oh, but I'm
Oh,
sorry,
man.
man. I'm
Sorry
sorry.
about this, yeah.
No, no,
Sorry
you're
about
not
this.
the asshole. Absolutely.
Yeah, sorry, man.
Unless you are great at making up stories on the spot.
Yeah, sorry. Also,
Yeah, yeah.
just don't spend this much money
Yeah,
on.
I hope you make the money back, dude.
Yeah, how much do you earn? Nahin, it's okay, but like,
Up solo trips.
yeah.
No, but sorry, can I ask one more question?
Of course,
before we go?
dude.
So, like,
Me also.
has that affected every other person every other partner you had, and you want to go on a date with that person? Do you always think that I will not,
Wait for it.
I will not get a return on this investment in form of love?
अभी it's like a Kabir Singh phase now. So अभी
Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh,
All
dude,
right,
it was
doctor.
Literally.
Yeah. I think you should
crazy,
get
yeah.
one of those dumb phones for whoever you date next, so that you can't see chats also.
Hey, if you don't mind me asking,
Yes, please.
sorry, if you don't. Yeah. How long were you all dating?
this was like 2 years.
2 years you guys dated.
Bro.
और 2 ही trip.
Bro,
सस्ते में छूट गया भाई.
अरे ये तो cheap हो गया.
this is like, bro, if I had a screen right now, I would make a Ankur Warikoo video of how much money you would have saved.
If you invested all of that in 40 years, you would have had 80 crores.
It's okay, man.
It's okay, man.
It's
It's
okay,
okay.
man.
It's chill. Wait, do we?
It's chill. Move on.
Yeah, bas. Oh wait, let's go with what you were talking.
Yeah.
Himesh concert tickets. Who went for Himesh concert? भाई तुम लोग बहुत पीछे हो. But ठीक है. Oh fuck, all of you.
Himesh concert, I saw it online and I thought that it looked pretty banger, and I had FOMO only and I saw it. Otherwise, I had no interest in
Yeah.
going.
Stories pe I got. Yeah.
Stories पे how was it?
None of you went. None of us.
No,
none of us went.
no.
no.
Okay, who went? In the audience?
How was it?
Really good. I enjoyed it.
Okay, so one person went and enjoyed it, and it did look pretty good. Who was the person who did not enjoy it?
None of has anyone
Sir,
else gone to the Himesh concert?
Did you go by yourself or with friends?
No, 3 of them raised
Oh, yeah.
hands. It will be weird
So
if
then
अलग
who
अलग
found
गए
it
थे वो लोग.
stupid?
Yeah,
Your friends
what's
found it stupid?
Sorry.
Did your friends find it stupid that you went for a Himesh concert?
Yeah, they were laugh reacting to my stories. And
अरे यार ये तो थोड़े
Oh, man.
गंदे फ्रेंड्स है भाई. ये क्या ऐसे laugh reacting?
How much did you spend on the ticket?
2.5.
अरे ठीक है ना भाई.
But you got a free cap, right?
Yeah.
They gave you a ganda black cap, no?
Yeah.
जिसमें से
Yeah.
कलर निकल रहा था.
What was the best part? What was the best part about the concert?
It ended.
Crying.
Sorry?
Himesh was crying. He was shedding a tear dramatically, and it was zoomed in on his face.
Wow.
What song? What song of
We are the
याद
world.
सता है.
We are the world.
Wait, you were shedding a tear.
Yeah, his wife came on stage.
He has a wife?
Yeah, the wife. Yeah.
I didn't know.
Arey, yeah.
He-
And
so-
the wife is like very hot.
Really?
Yes.
That's his new
Hot,
wife.
hot.
That's his new
Hot.
wife.
Oh, he had another
Yeah, he
wife.
Jeff Bezos it. And he got successful. He did a glow up, and then he was like, "No, I don't want you. I don't want middle class looks." And
Oh.
then
To be honest, उसके Instagram पे सिर्फ वही दिखता है, वो बस post किया जा रहा था. I've never seen a wife on his Instagram.
Yeah.
So I didn't know. But okay, his
Yeah.
wife also came on stage? Is
They
she
were
a single?
both crying?
There's a keto ad at the back.
But it was good. Now, how long was the concert?
3 hours.
That's good for
Wow.
2.5 thousand. It's not stupid. It's fine. I mean, I don't know
Yeah,
what.
but like
difference
I've heard like things about the concert.
what things?
What, some rumors you heard about the concert?
Yeah.
I've heard like he was not that great on it. Like
Oh, there
लोग
was some people-
nostalgia में enjoy कर रहे थे.
Huh. I think that
So
was
that's my understanding of
इसीलिए
this,
तो
right?
रो रहा था वो. Fuck, मैं बहुत गंदा हो गया हूँ यार. हाँ, you were saying?
I don't know how many of you guys are younger than I am. If that's the yardstick. But when I was younger, everybody made fun of Tandoori Nights because that was a cringe lyric, right? But I think that as a culture, what we did was, instead of going up from there, we cringed it more like Coca-Cola too. Okay, so people were like, I guess Tandoori Nights was peak of culture. So which is why in the long term, everyone was like, yeah, that was when things were good.
Yeah.
And I love Himesh. I took you as the wrong guy. So everybody was crying along with him.
Oh man, I don't think Himesh has also thought this much about his own career.
Yeah.
But it makes sense.
Yeah, that's how something like Tandoori Nights, which we cringed on, is something that we enjoy now.
Chinatown भी वही गाया था ना.
Himesh was playing the long game, dude. Like अभी नहीं तो 5 साल बाद देखना ये गाना.
Yeah. They did Chinatown में.
हाँ ना, वो भी उसका ही था. But okay, I think this is enough. We'll just mention special mention to automatic Tata Nano, which
Honorable mention.
Nice.
which I didn't know
That's
existed.
nice.
Who has an automatic Tata? Automatic.
Crazy.
You know how it works? You know how it works, going? You gotta pull it at the back and go automatically.
Only goes 5 meters. Facebook Marketplace. कितने? How much was it for?
I genuinely don't know. I just own it. It looks funny. It's golden in color.
It's golden. Did you drive here in your golden Nano?
No, I live in Ahmedabad, so I drive there.
Oh wow.
Yeah, that
Crazy
somehow
hai.
makes sense in Ahmedabad. Golden
Golden Nano there.
Tata Nano on Facebook Marketplace.
That's insane. I thought special mention. This is insane. But yeah, we
It's
know.
understandable. Nobody's
But
surprised.
second hand Nano must be lesser than 1 lakh, na? That
Not even on car dekho. It's on Facebook
Facebook
Marketplace.
Marketplace.
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah, I used to have a Tata Nano. The Tata employee used to. And his teeth were blue also. So.
Oh, that was an automatic award.
Crazy, yeah.
On that note, this is the end of the show, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming, Ronak and Shrija. And thank you to you guys for being here so much, man. And also to
Thank you so much,
the
guys,
3
yeah.
cameras and Antriksh. Where is Antriksh? Give it up for Antriksh too. Yeah, thank you so much for coming, guys. Good night.
Yeah.
See you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
As like a bittersweet farewell / hopeful anticipation of Ronak, why don't we spread his clothes
Oh,
out?
yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Should we do that?
Yes,
Yeah, let's
please.
do that. Yeah.
Let's
Basically, Ronak,
jeans.
the lower half of Ronak, right?
Ronak's very short, by the way. That's Wait, Antriksh is saying something. Mic पे बोलना पड़ेगा, Shrija. I don't know if you've done stand-up, but थोड़ा mic पे
कोई
बोलना
माइक पकड़ सकता है मेरे लिए प्लीज
हाँ, okay, sorry.
Yeah, मैं ये कर
Sorry, I was
देती
just
हूँ.
being
Yeah,
rude for no reason.
Give it up for Ronak Rajani t-shirt, guys.
Guys, Ronak brought out his Nike Jordan t-shirt for you guys, okay?
He didn't bring it out. He sent it. Wait, there's
Yeah.
a belt also. Belt भी लगा
Oh
दे.
shit, belt लगा देते
Gives
हैं
like
यार.
यार उसकी jeans.
Ronak has
लगाइए.
really lost weight, guys, as you can see.
And
The
Ronak
belt
puts
is
this
necessary.
belt on top of his t-shirt for some reason.
So that's
It's a-
Ronak.
Give it up for Ronak, everyone.
Give it
Give it
up
up
for
for
Ronak,
Ronak.
everyone.
This is how he looks like in relationship also. exactly the same. But welcome Shrija, the person
Welcome.
who is
Yes,
here.
yes.
Thank you
Hi,
so much
hi.
for coming.
A pleasure.
Yes, yes.
Pleasure is all mine, guys.
Yes, no, ours also somewhat.
No, it's mine.
No, it is, please.
It really is mine. जिस
अरे,
तरह तुमने
ये-
मेरा intro दिया.
one guest was here. Yeah, we had another intro. Okay, we had another intro.
Can I
then-
please hear it?
No. but then Ronak told me कि Stray Dog Emergency. I was like, अब मैं क्या बोलूँ भैया?
Yeah, fair
ठीक है
enough.
भैया,
Yeah,
अच्छा है.
yeah.
But he might come, guys. He might come.
He has
He
given-
might come at
Because he
any
has to
moment.
take his clothes. He has
Yeah,
to come.
yeah.
But by the time he comes, y'all wouldn't want him anymore. Like that's
True,
what he
true.
would come into. That's the sentiment he would
So
walk
we'll
into.
send him back,
guys.
okay?
Yeah.
Like, when he comes, let's
We're
send him
locking the
back.
doors now. We're telling him not to come. It's
Yeah.